Welcome to Thomas on Air. Today, we're talking about something close to every Filipino heart: family and affordable transportation. Starting this Sunday, families in Metro Manila can now enjoy free train rides together. Thanks to the newly launched Pamilya Pass 1+3 program, one family member buys a ticket and up to 3 others ride free every Sunday on all major rail lines. That means MRT3, LRT1, and LRT2 are now your family routes to bonding, savings, and new memories without worrying about the cost. The program was launched by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. alongside First Lady Liza Marcos and their children. During the launch, the President and his whole family even rode the MRT themselves, a rare and symbolic gesture that showed full support and hands-on engagement. It became a moment that stood out on social media, with photos of the first family taking the train going viral. This is a public commitment to making family life more affordable and meaningful. The idea is simple but powerful. Every Sunday from June 1st this year until the last Sunday of 2028, you and your family can ride together on the train. No need to bring any ID, no forms to fill. Just show up together, buy one ticket, and the next 3 ride with you for free. Who can use this? Any group that's part of a family. Whether it's parents and kids, grandparents with grandchildren, siblings, or even an uncle or aunt with dependents. The goal is inclusivity. It's not about paperwork or rigid rules. It's about encouraging time together. The Department of Transportation says the focus is on trust and unity. You don't need to prove you're related. If you show up together and ride together, your family. That's a uniquely Filipino approach that speaks volumes about the values this program wants to highlight. Let's talk impact. Families spend a lot just to be together, especially when going to church, to parks, or visiting relatives. With inflation affecting basic needs, this program puts actual savings in people's pockets. It also gives families an incentive to spend time in the city again. Whether it's malling, museums, or Sunday picnics, the city becomes more accessible when transportation is no longer a barrier. The initiative is part of the Bagong Pilipinas vision, focusing not only on roads and railways, but also on the quality of life. Affordable public transport shouldn't be a luxury. It should be a right. And this is one step toward that goal. If successful, it could inspire similar programs across the country. The real story here is not just trains or tickets. It's the story of a government trying to rebuild trust through tangible, family-first policies. In a time where political noise often drowns out real progress, programs like this are quiet but powerful reminders of what good governance can look like. So this Sunday and every Sunday until 2028, don't just stay at home. Hop on the train with your family, explore the city, save money, make memories. Because when leadership puts people at the center, even a simple train ride becomes a journey worth celebrating. Tell us your plans. Where will your family go this Sunday? And if you think more programs like this should happen, share this video and let your voice be part of the movement. This is Thomas on Air. See you on the next ride.